Hi there, my name is Fadi Ghazi and this is my electrical dashboard. On the left here, we've got a line chart showing the net income by month, which is each month of the financial year. So as you can see in April, there's a net loss of roughly $102,000 and a large increase, a large spike to May of roughly, with a net income of roughly $45,000. In the middle here, we've got a pie chart showing that the net income is made up of 44% of invoices and 56% of payments. On the right, we've got a bar chart showing the electronic sales per month. As we can see that in May, it's by far the winner here with $45,423 in sales, which if you look here is the same as in May. And on the bottom left, we got a column chart showing that showing the number of accounts involved in transactions by month. And as you can see in April, it's the highest here with 32,000. Yep, so if you just filter this by May, the slicer, we can see that the net income here is $45,423. And same here for the electronic sales by month, roughly $45,000. And you can see that there are 5 accounts, involved in transactions in that month as well. And on the bottom right, there's a column chart showing the number of transactions by account name. As you can see, most of the accounts have around just one transaction that it's involved in. And the clear winner here is the electronic sales with 35. Just look here. Yep, just clearly the highest number of transactions of an account, 35, compared to everything else, which is roughly around 3, 5, and yeah. So that was my electrical dashboard. Thank you for watching.